Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 1. Today is 3rd September and yeah, I woke up a bit late today. I woke up at around 7:45 today, and that's not bad. I am not sure whether I will tell you why I did that, but yeah, first let's continue with the topics that I will be covering. So I think that today might be a half day, so I will be trying to complete around 3 to 4 chapters. Okay, so the fourth one is optional. The 3 chapters that I have selected, I will try to do them. Out of those chapters, this is my first day, so I have chosen those chapters whose theory I know. So yeah, today I will be completing electrostatics, and similar to electrostatics I will be completing gravitation. Okay, so electrostatics, gravitation. In chemistry it's simple mole concept, and by mole concept I also mean equivalent concept. I don't those are not two different chapters, and if possible I will be completing quadratic equation in maths. So yeah, out of these chapters I have completed the theory of all of these, so I only have to solve questions. And I will be taking measurement of time. Okay, I will be checking the time, how much questions I am able to solve in a particular amount of time. And in the end, if I am able to make something relevant, then I will share that with you in the evening. So yeah, and you can, those whose exam is on 3 to 6, okay, whose exam is today, tomorrow, or in the upcoming days, please, if you are watching, if you will be watching my video, please start from day 1, because I might, some days I might skip, or I might do something which is not completely relevant for you, or not very important for you, but it is important for me. So yeah, it is a 20-day JEE preparation, so those who will be watching my videos, kindly start from day 1. Okay, don't skip. In mains I asked you to skip. Some people actually contacted me and said that I was not feeling well, I am watching from now, what should I do? So yeah, in that case I suggested them to skip. In this I won't suggest you to skip. So that's it. I won't be keeping this video long. So yeah, these are the, I told you about the 4 chapters: 2 physics, 1 chemistry, 1 maths. Let's see how much I am able to complete. I will be keeping 2 videos link and a subscribe button here in case you have not subscribed yet. Thank you.